In just under half an hour, people in Pierce County are meeting with leaders in law enforcement and the community, including elected officials, to address solutions to crime and violence. That's happening at Mountain View Funeral Home in Lakewood at 5:30. It's open to the public, and we'll be there to cover the conversation. In Tacoma tonight, a tale of two cities is told by the latest crime data. Just last week, the city council was shown case numbers indicating a 50% increase in homicides over the last year. Property theft up 90%.
But today, the police department presented new data showing crime on the decline. And the difference is a selective new kind of enforcement applying to only a few areas. But Fox 13's Jennifer Dowling says this is still good news, if only on a limited scale. Jen?
It is, and city leaders are hopeful. Tacoma Police have been targeting 16 addresses, or hotspots as they call it, for violence over the past few months. And in those targeted areas where those patrols have been happening, the police chief says reports of violent crime have dropped 30%.
It's sad kind of what Tacoma has become.
With crime hitting record levels in Tacoma year to date.
I heard a lot of shots, probably 25, from what I could tell.
The public is eager to know what city leaders plan to do about it, especially reports of gun violence.
Living in this part of Tacoma, you hear that occasionally, and it does seem like it's gotten worse the last couple years.
During a city council study session Tuesday, Police Chief Avery Moore rolled out the results of what's happening following the first 3 months of the new violent crime prevention plan launched in July.
Very proud of what we've done in just 90 days.
The plan has used hotspot patrols to focus on 16 addresses from July 6th through October 6th, most located in business areas. Those addresses trend higher in crime, with officers making themselves visible in those locations by using their lights for at least 15 minutes during the patrol.
Based on the days, times that we discovered that violent crime was most prevalent, that's when we deployed our officers, and they were there.
Police partner with criminologists at the University of Texas to determine which spots to target. Smith says they tracked 3 main offenses, including murder, robbery, and aggravated assault.
If you compare the two blue bars, that shows you what crime was like last spring, a year ago, to where it was this spring. And that's a pretty dramatic increase.
Year to date, the numbers can be quite shocking. Recent data released from Tacoma Police and the city shows that homicides in sectors 3 and 4 have gone up 90 to 100% year to date over 2021. Professor of criminology Mike Smith says targeted patrols could be the key to reducing those numbers in the months ahead. He says after the plan was implemented in those areas, the numbers of violent crimes in the targeted regions dropped.
Crime dropped from about 16, an average of 16 offenses per month at those places, down to about 10 per month, which was actually lower than the same period last year.
The mayor says the numbers in the report are hopeful, but there's more that needs to be done. She says within the council, they need to improve the community's perception of safety.
We really have to continue to address things like alternative response for mental health, creating community safety officers. So there's other work that we as a city need to do.
And the mayor says that overtime money was used for some of those targeted patrols. She says in the long run that might not be as sustainable, but she says the city has been working hard to recruit new officers in order to fill the ranks. Meantime, those targeted patrols will continue, and they will reassess that data from the next 60 days. Reporting live in Tacoma, Jennifer Dowling, Fox 13 News.